Hi! Finally, it's warm and cozy. We have checked in our room. So, once again, this is Royton Hotel in the middle of
Sapporo.
Sapporo. That is correct. So, this is the closet area. It's actually a big room. Yes. Good job ka dito, B, in fairness to you. So, we have the usual fridge, vanity area with the kettle and stuff like that. And then, it's not the typical na CR, di ba, na parang they put it inside. So, it's spacious. You have the usual shower, bathtub. And of course, the heated toilet, and a big sink. Okay, come inside. So, ta-da!
Sorry for the mess.
So, look, it's big bed. So, hindi mo nakaupo because outside clothes and you have couch.
Currently filming our hyperlapse there.
Yes, couch. Usually wala tayong mga ganito, right?
Yeah.
Like an area where you can have coffee or something in the morning, eat, and a big desk over here for all the vanity stuff. Lumikit ng bangs. Okay, that's it. Such a big... Oh, by the way, of course, Japanese people always like to provide pajamas. Yay, pajamas. So that's there. I don't know what's inside this one. Okay, it's empty. Okay. That's it.
Alright, that's it.
Yep, that's it. The usual control panels and stuff like that. It's a usual thing. Itinerary namin today. Na-delay yung flight because of the snowstorm. So hence, what time is it now? It's 8:57. We just got back. Namili na lang kami sa Family Mart ng dinner namin. So mag-noodles ako kasi we have an early start tomorrow. It's day 1 of ski day. So ski lesson starts at 10.
10:30.
10:30. So, yes. And bus ride, how many hours? Yeah? 3?
Actually, it's
Yeah.
an hour-ish.
So, yaan. So,
But, since reserved seating yung bus natin, 2 hours yung trip natin tomorrow.
Yes. There. So, siya din nag-arrange na kasi wala naman akong kwenta sa mga bagay-bagay na yan. So, magdi-dinner na lang kami, guys. Unpack and call it a day. So, tomorrow will be the full day here in Sapporo. Okay, bye! I-take out ko na lang yung kahapon na kinain ko. Yung pag-share. And then, okay na ako.
That is our hotel. Dali-dali yung makita ano eh.
Uy. Sobrang lang nilagay. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it's hot. I mean, it's like not hot,
Okay.
but it's warm. It's warm. It's hot. Touch. It's hot.
Oh. Elevator na lang.